If your hair feels frizzy and dry even after oiling and conditioning, then this video is. I'm Dr. Manisha Mishra, MD in Ayurveda, and I talk about Ayurveda health tips for your overall wellness. And today we are talking about frizzy hair. Well, frizzy hair happens due to extreme Vata imbalance, which makes the hair very dry and absolutely rough. And basically what it means is the external layer of your hair, which is a cuticle, becomes so rough that your hair looks dull and absolutely non-shiny. And what can we do to improve it? Well, here are some things that you can do. Firstly, a hair wash. Rice water hair wash actually is so good for your scalp and hair. It not only hydrates and balances the pH of your scalp, it also smoothens the cuticles because it is snigdha and sheetal, and which is required for your hair to look nice. And when should you use it? After washing your hair and conditioning it well, the last rinse should be with rice water. How do you make rice water? Take 1 tablespoon of rice, soak it in around 60 ml of water or maybe 100 ml of water, keep it for 3 to 4 hours, rub the rice well and strain the water and just wash from root to the tip, and that's it. Keep it, don't wash it later. It will give a shine to your hair. Number 2 is Alsi ka pack. An Alsi gel can be made at home. What you do, 1 tablespoon of Alsi or flaxseed, boil it in around 1 glass of water and bring it to a jelly-like consistency. Strain it. After you've washed your hair, just apply it as a pack. Keep for 20 minutes and wash it off. Here your hair is frizz-free and shiny and well conditioned. Aloe vera water rinse. How to make it? First, take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. You can take fresh or from market, anything. Mix it in around 100 ml of water. Once it is mixed well, give it a final rinse after shampooing and conditioning your hair. It will pacify Vata, make your hair hydrated, balance the pH of hair and improve your hair root and overall hair shine as well. Important things to remember. You know what? Hair does not like anything hot or warm. And basically your hair has become dry or damaged because you have subjected it to a lot of heat, lot of shampoos, hair coloring and whatnot. So try to use all these waters at room temperature or sehta hua thanda, or the coolest that you can tolerate. Wash with very cold of any of these waters. It really helps improve your shine and repairs your cuticle well. Number 2, do not wash your hair at night. ये रात को ना करें. You will have problems only. After you have applied all the these waters or the gel, do not rub it vigorously with a towel. Let it air dry on its own. Do not use a hair dryer. So these are basic things which will help your hair regain their health better. Oil your scalp regularly and use an oil which is suitable to your scalp type. Get rid of your dandruff and always carry an umbrella when you're stepping out in hot sun.